This is a tutorial on editing your profile page in Worthy with the different attributes that we can give our text or whatever. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure we are signed in. So for this is our main page that we come up to. We're going to click sign in. Our username and our password, and then we're going to click sign in again. Now this brings us to the main page of Worthy, and you will see your name here. You simply click your little arrow and hit my profile. Now you want to scroll down until you find the big purple button right here that says edit my profile. Now again, we're going to scroll until we see edit my about me page. Now this is what you see is what you get editor. It allows you to see what your profile page will look like if you do some customizations, which I'm going to show you how to do some of. First thing is font color. That's going to be this button right here, this little paintbrush with an A to the left of the smiley face. You simply highlight the font that you want to change color and highlight that font and choose from the drop down a random color. Now you can go here to more colors and you can choose from a wider selection of colors, and that shows what it will look like. Now you can also, for that same text, you can do bold or you can do italics, and you can do underline by hitting the B, I, or U on the left hand side there. And it's going to show you just like that. Now, if we want to undo all those, we simply click again. And we're going to go back to black font on this. So we'll simply click our text color icon again, and we'll choose black. Now, you should know that automatic and Worthy is a dark gray. So if you want it to actually show up black, you need to choose black from the options. The next thing is we can look, once again, we've got the bold, italics, and underline. And then we've got strike through. That allows you to do that. I'm not sure why people want to do that, but the option is there if you choose to do that. And then we also have subscript, which will make it smaller. This is useful if you're doing like citations on a post or something. You would highlight what you want to change, and then you would do either superscript or subscript, and it would be smaller. And then once again. Okay, so other things. We have a bullet list that we can create. I'm going to create a simple bullet list. Things about cats. Cats are amazing. Cats are so friendly. My Xena is the best cat ever. And that's a bullet list. We can also, if you'd rather it be numbers, you simply highlight and choose this next one. Bada bing, you got a numbered list. This is helpful for anytime you want to make a list in your profile. You can do that. And it's also the same editor is what you will see on your forum posts. So you have all those options there. Next thing we have is a link. We can add a link to an external site. We'll simply choose the type of link. We can link to an email address. We're going to choose our HTTP, and then we're going to let's do Facebook. So we'll simply put a link in there that we want to link to, and it will show up as a link. Now, that will be sure. And if you want to do unlink it, then you will hit this little unlink button and the link will disappear. Likewise, if you want to turn a random piece of text into a link, you would simply highlight it. And then you would click this link button with the little green plus sign. And again, same thing. Type your link in, hit OK, and it becomes a link. You can delete, you can unlink, you can do whatever. Next thing is adding the image. Now there is a separate tutorial for this, but for now I will just show you simply how to add an image. That's what that button is for. There is a separate tutorial. The first tutorial I did, it actually shows you how to do this image. So you're going to insert it, and then that's that. This is adding code, which does not work. Quoting is not going to be relevant for your profile page. It's going to be relevant for your posts, which I will probably cover on another tutorial. But this is your basic options for editing your profile page. You can get as colorful or as creative as you want. And the main thing is to make it fun and make it unique to you. I like colors, so I choose a lot of colorful fonts, as you can see. These are actually just images. And like I said, you can see the image tutorial to see those. And there's the baby girl. She's precious. Okay, so this brings us to our left, right, and center justification. You highlight your font, and if you choose left, it will put it to the left. Center will center it, and right will put it to the right. Now, I usually try to center my text unless I'm doing something like over here where my sections, I think they look better justified to the left. It just depends on what you want to do. So that is the basic tutorial on using the WYSIWYG Editor. There's other options here, I guess, that you can paste directly from Word. You can choose some default options for pasting as plain text by default, or you can paste from Word, which I'm pretty sure that will keep your formatting from Word. And so that's that. Okay, so any questions? I go by Hawkeye. Feel free to send me a private message or catch me in the chat room most every day and night. And that will pretty much finish up what you can do in the editor. There's not really anything else to do unless you want to undo all your formatting. Then you would, right click and hit remove format here, which will put it back to default. And I'm not going to do that because I like the format. So enjoy, have fun, be creative, be yourself, and express yourself on your profile page, because that's one of the first things that people look at to get to know you.